Welcome everyone to the next series of making the website with the basic implementation of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is a web page, and I have implemented here the functionality of dark mode. All right. So to demonstrate it, I have a toggle button here. When I toggle this, the color changes, the font color changes, the content color changes, and also the images gets flipped. And this is obtained by the use of JavaScript. That source code and everything will be linked on the description below. And what next I want to show you here is that every component, the colors get toggled. That's the simple functionality we have to use on using the dark mode in our website. And also next thing I want to show you here is whenever I refresh this page, this content gets stored. The content state gets stored on the dark mode, and this is achieved by the help of local storage. Also, the source code will be in the description below. And when I have the light theme, when I refresh, it stays on light. When I toggle to dark and refresh the page, it stays on the dark mode. And the next thing what I want to show here is very basic thing, the navigation, the smooth scroll that's implemented here. This makes the navigation much interactive. Okay, so for now, this was the basic building of a dark mode. If you want the tutorial, please mention in the comment box. I'll make it for you. Thank you.